So that invoice is...
Hello everybody, welcome to Lewis Marine Supply. Have you ever been boarded by the Coast Guard, maybe while you're getting fuel at the fuel dock and you don't have all the right stuff? Well, I gotta tell you, I'm that guy as well, and the men and women in the Coast Guard, I gotta thank them for making sure we're all boating safely. So what I wanted to do was grab everything we all need to have on our boats to boat safely and go over everything for you to show you what you really need. All right, so we've got everything laid out for your Coast Guard kits here. We've got PFDs. We want to make sure you have enough PFDs on board for all your passengers. Corey's nice enough to model it for us here. We want to make sure you have a throwable one that's easily accessible. You need to be able to grab it and throw it overboard. Orion signal flares, most important, and also having a signal horn. You never know when you need to be able to signal for help. Have an anchor line, anchor and chain, always a must on board, and certainly dock line. And last but not least, all your fire extinguishers and making sure it's up to date. I hope that was helpful, and please remember to thank the men and women of our Coast Guard keeping us all safe boating. And for all your questions and safety kit needs, please come see us or visit our website. And remember, everybody stay safe out there. Thanks so much.
So that invoice is... Jesus! You mother...